Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to show you how to set up a SUDO user. Now, as a best practice, you don't want to work directly as root. What you want to do is log in as a regular user and SUDO anything that requires elevated privileges, including administrative tasks. So we'll log in. And step number 1 is to create the new user and set its password. Now, to test the password, we're going to switch user twice. The first SU is a freebie because root doesn't need a password, but the second SU will prompt us. Now, once we're in, run ID and notice the groups we are currently in. This will be important later. Now let's try to view a file that only root has access to. So the OS is good about telling us why it failed, and the fix is easy. We just have to grant SUDO permissions to the new user. We'll drop back into root, and we want to make sure the will group is enabled with the command vi sudo. Vi sudo uses the vi text editor to safely edit the SUDO user's file. This program will not only allow you to edit the file, but it also does syntax checking. And here we can see the will group is uncommented and is allowed to run all commands, which is what we want. So we exit this command the way we exit vi. Now we add the user to the will group as a supplemental group, so make sure to use uppercase G. Also add the -A for append. If you leave off the -A, it will remove the user from all supplemental groups and only makes them a member of this list, which may be what you need, but it's just something to be aware of. Then specify the user. We can also run the ID command as root to view a user's membership, and now they're in the will group. Now we log in as the user to test SUDO. And now we have permissions. Now, if we're going to hand off this account to another person, drop back into root and expire the password to force them to set their own. And do our double SU to test the expiration. Hit Ctrl+C to cancel this test, and the account is ready to be handed off with a forced password reset. Thank you.